Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be comparing two popular air fryers, the Ninja air fryer and the Chefman large air fryer. We'll be evaluating them across various categories to help you make an informed purchase decision. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. The Ninja air fryer is priced at $89, while the Chefman large air fryer costs $79. While the Ninja is slightly more expensive, it offers features like dehydration that the Chefman unit does not have. The Ninja air fryer has a 4-quart capacity and can fit up to 2 pounds of French fries. The Chefman air fryer, on the other hand, has an 8-quart capacity, making it ideal for large families or gatherings. Both units are easy to use, with simple controls and presets. The Chefman air fryer, however, has a digital display that allows you to easily monitor cook times and adjust temperature and time with the touch of a button. Both air fryers use significantly less oil than traditional frying methods, making them a better option for health-conscious users. The Ninja air fryer, however, claims to reduce up to 75% of fat from traditional frying methods, while the Chefman large air fryer uses at least 98% less oil than traditional fryers. Both units are easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. The Chefman air fryer, however, has a flat frying tray that eliminates the hassle of cleaning a crisper plate. The Ninja air fryer offers additional features like dehydration and a wide temperature range of 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The Chefman air fryer has a compact, space-saving design and comes with a 1-year warranty. That brings us to the end of our comparison video. We hope this was helpful in deciding which air fryer is right for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching.